A wonderful Welsh hymn is Here Is Love. Verses 1 and 2 were written by the Welshman William Rhys, who lived in 1802 to 1883. And verses 3 to 4 were attributed to William Williams, who lived from 1717 to 1791. More than 100 years ago, a great renewal of genuine Christianity swept through Wales. Church buildings overflowed, and thousands of new converts, over 100,000, were added to the body. Church historians and students of revival movements know this as the Welsh Revival of 1904. Welsh Christian William Rhys wrote a wonderful hymn, Here Is Love, Vast as the Ocean. It became known as the love song of the Welsh Revival and was used mightily by God during that time. Later, the last two verses were added and attributed to the Welsh Calvinist Methodist hymn writer, William Williams. Martin Lloyd-Jones said of William Williams, "The hymns of William Williams are packed with theology and experience. That is why I once, in giving a lecture on Isaac Watts, ventured to say that William Williams was the greatest hymn writer of them all. You get the greatness and bigness and largeness in Isaac Watts. You get the experiential side wonderfully in Charles Wesley. But in William Williams, you get both at the same time, and that is why I put him in a category entirely on his own. He taught the people theology in his hymns. As they sang the hymns, they were becoming familiar with the great expressions of the New Testament doctrines of salvation and the glory of God."
Here is love, vast as the ocean, loving kindness as the flood. When the Prince of Life our ransom shed for us his precious blood, who his love will not remember, who can cease to sing his praise? He can never be forgotten throughout heaven's eternal days. On the mount of crucifixion, fountains open deep and wide. Through the floodgates of God's mercy flowed a vast and gracious tide. Grace and love like mighty rivers poured incessant from above. Heaven's peace and perfect justice kissed the guilty world in love. Let me all your love accepting, love you ever all my days. Let me seek your kingdom only, and my life be to your praise. You alone shall be my glory, nothing in the world I see. You have cleansed and sanctified me. You yourself have set me free. In your truth you still direct me, by your Spirit through your word, and your grace my need is meeting, as I trust in you, my Lord. Of your fullness you are pouring your great love and power on me, without measure, full and boundless, drawing out my heart to thee. Of your fullness you are pouring your great love and power on me, without measure, full and boundless, drawing out my heart to thee.